Alright guys, it's Miss McKay again. You've set up your Google Gmail account for your Cumberland County Schools email, and now it's time to join Google Classroom. This is something we're going to be using a lot of this year, so it's really important that you understand how to join the class and utilize the different functions. So, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you're signed into your Grays Creek Middle School Gmail account. It cannot be a personal account. It has to be your Cumberland County Schools account that you set up already. From there, once you're signed in, you're going to go up to the top right corner. You're going to see these 9 boxes. That's your Google Apps box. You're going to click on that. You're going to see this drop-down menu. From there, you're going to go down to the bottom, and you're going to click More. See where it says More in the bottom? You're going to click on that tab, and it's going to drop you down into a couple of other different apps. One of those apps is going to be Google Classroom. You can see it down there. Looks like a chalkboard with a piece of chalk, and it says Classroom underneath it. You're going to click on Google Classroom. Once you've clicked on Google Classroom, you're going to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to be able to see this, where it says that you're going to get started using Classroom and that you are a student. You want to make sure that you click that you are a student. Once you've clicked into that, it's going to pop up and look like this. From there, you want to go up to the plus sign that is next to your email address, and you're going to click that in order to join your first class. Once you've done that, this box is going to pop up to ask you to enter a class code in order to join. You are going to join one of these classes for Miss McKay. If you're in my first period, you need to join the first period class. If you're in second period, you need to join the second period class. Third period joins third period. Fourth period joins fourth period. If you need to pause the video at this point so you can copy down the code or type it in, go ahead and do so. For second period students, please note that those are zeros in the code. They are not capital O's, they are zeros. Once you've got your class code typed in, you're going to be able to get into the Google Classroom. Now, this is an example from Mr. Lohr's class. I went into his as a student, so you get the general idea of what it looks like. Yours will not say Mr. Lohr, yours will say Miss McKay. So, it's going to look something like this when you get in there. Down in the bottom right-hand corner, you've got this little plus sign. What I would like for you to do is click on that plus sign, and you're going to see where it says Create Post. You're going to click on that, Create a Post. This is going to pop up. It's going to allow you to type in there. I want you to tell us a little bit about yourself. Create a post introducing who you are, where you're from, what you're most excited for this year as a 7th grader at Grays Creek Middle School. Once you've got it typed up, you're going to click the Post button, and you're going to share it to our wall. Once you have posted your introduction, I want you to respond to 2 other classmates' posts. You can do more than 2 if you'd like, but you must do at least 2. Please keep in mind that your post and your response must be school appropriate. Everybody in the class can see it. I can see it. You need to make sure it's appropriate. And as always, if you have any questions, please